Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Thali cost decreased in December. In December 2023, the cost of a typical home-cooked vegetarian and non-vegetarian meal, that is Thali, in India saw a decrease of 3% and 5% respectively compared to November, according to a report. This decrease was attributed to drop in the prices of onions and tomatoes by 14% and 3% as the festival season concluded. The non-vegetarian thali experienced a more substantial decrease due to a reduction in broiler prices, which make up half of its cost by 5 to 7%. In contrast, November 2023 witnessed a 10% rise in the cost of a vegetarian thali and a 5% increase for the non-vegetarian thali. By December, the price of a non-vegetarian thali dropped to Rs 57.6 from Rs 60.4 and the vegetarian thali decreased to Rs 29.7 from the Rs 30.5. With two earning members in a family, around 70% of their income would be needed to afford a vegetarian thali for both lunch and dinner for a month, leaving only 30% for other expenses like education, health, clothing, travel, and energy. However, the average cost of preparing a thali is calculated considering input prices from different regions of India, reflecting the impact on household expenses. The data highlights the key ingredients influencing thali cost changes, including cereals, pulses, broilers, vegetables, spices, edible oil, and cooking gas. Now it's a time to test your knowledge. The question is, which two vegetable prices significantly dropped and contributed to the decreased cost of thalis in December 2023? Your options are potato and carrot, onion and tomato, cabbage and cauliflower, or peas and beans. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.